The third activity we're going to do today is the Jigsaw activity. We have 3 topics. The first one is the primary ingredients for cake making and their function. The second one is types of cakes, their characteristics and texture. And the third topic is types of frostings. So on Friday, basically the expert groups met, which included all these students, Tamarat, Amin, Jason, and Penny, and they worked on topic 1. These students worked on topic 2, and these students worked on topic 3. So on Friday, they got together in their expert groups and discussed the main ideas and wrote down the key points on their cue cards. And then they also had the weekend to fine-tune those cue cards, okay? So it gave each student the responsibility to really know their part of this topic, okay? So today, a few days later, we were getting together, and now these experts have gotten together in a new group. So all the A's are together, the B's, the C's, and the D's. So while the A, who is going to be Tamarat with topic 1, for example, he's going to be talking at the primary ingredients, and Maria will be talking about the types of cakes, and Ali will be talking about types of frostings. So they're the expert on that topic, and then they will share their information with the other members of their group. And the other members of the group should be taking notes of those key points, because this is a summary of what will be on the exam on Friday. Okay, so everybody go ahead. Yeah, so start A. Whoever's A, could start. Gâteau.
So it makes the what is the role of protein on this baked product? Yeah. It gives structure and tough.
If an ingredient too cold or too warm, it may affect the batter ability to trap the whole the gases necessary for the cake to rise. Okay, that is the ingredient for cake.
This is the genoise. The genoise we did the old eggs.
Egg, you mean egg yolk and egg white?
And egg white with sugar, and we put it by marinade until it's double the volume, and then you add the dry ingredients already set. This is the reason you can make a tile layer with frosting.
If you want to add egg and cream, it should be keep in the cooler after you add the egg and cream. And for that, and glaze is a soup, add moisture and flavor.
Folding, not mixing like that. Just fold. Be careful of the the air. You know, it will it's not really good. Not good. Yeah.
Quantity of egg white.
Sorry?
Egg white.
With lots of egg white? No fat. But the egg yolk, egg white has fat.
No, egg yolk has fat, the egg white. With high sugar content.
High sugar.
And the texture is very high like that. But this one's kind not very clear, so I have another one. Where's that? The other one is French buttercream.
Under the buttercream,
Yeah, buttercream have
two
two
types.
types. Italian buttercream and French buttercream.
So this is the French one, right? So
Italian. Use the egg white.
egg whites. It look like meringue.
Yeah.
Okay. How about the egg white here? The egg yolk.
Okay, everybody, let's wrap up. Let's finish off. And so I'd like to ask you two questions, and you can ask your neighbors. Do you think this was a useful activity? And why? And did you enjoy preparing for this activity? Any thoughts? Ask your neighbor.
Yeah, I learned a lot of foundation of making, how to make cake. Yes, I learned a lot. And I really try to detail my knowledge of cake ingredients. Yeah. I can share information. I don't have to study hard. Study on my topic. And then I know how to enjoy this class.
For sharing information.
Sharing information. How do you like it?
Because we can focus on one thing.
Good. Okay, that concludes activity 3. Thank you, everyone.